Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video, and for today's video we are currently in town and we're just driving basically. So I decided, like, I'm a bit bored right now, so I'm just gonna go on a little drive around town. And I've done these around country, like country parks, no, country roads and stuff, but I've never done this in town. So I look like a complete idiot right now. Look at me. Yeah. I've got my hood up just so I don't look completely stupid. I've never been down this road, so I don't know where I'm going. Honestly, so many people love these POVs, so yeah, I'm pretty much doing one today. That's it, boy. So, little 15-minute drive, and that's about it, really. These are fucking hefty speed bumps. Oh my life. Now, in most POVs, everybody blurs out their speed. Honestly, there's not gonna be any speed in here. Got a black box, and there's no real point of speeding around town, is there? Normal POVs consist of like Audi RS6s. Nah, you're watching a Vauxhall Corsa, mate. So this is kind of the village area of town. So I don't live here, so I don't really know where I'm going. I don't know where to go anyway in town. But yeah.
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go up here. Everyone's going up here, so we're going to follow them. Just going to do a U-turn, a 3-point turn, because I don't know where this leads. So I'm going to go back. So we are still driving the same car, the Vauxhall Corsa. There's a bus down there. Let's pull out so that we can just get past him. Yeah, we're still driving the 1.2 Corsa. Everybody's like, where's the new car video? Mate, I'm keeping this car for a while. Number one, the car's on finance. Number two, I quite like this car, to be fair. No plans of even getting rid of it. I mean, I would like a faster car, but just means it's more on insurance. So he's indicating right, no left, so go down here, boy. There you go. Voila. Here's McDonald's, here's Vauxhall where I did my MOT, here's Audi, yeah. Along this road is basically where I used to do all of my different parallel parks. So I used to do parallel. He's probably wondering what the fuck is on his head. Jeez, it is tight down this road. When I used to come home from my girlfriend's house, literally used to parallel park behind every single car I saw. So I'd parallel park that one, and then there'd be one here, parallel park behind that one. Because she lives on a road with that you need to parallel park on. Arrived a bit too much there. Jesus. You know what? This car in front of me was the car I wanted for my first car. Fiat Punto. My friend had one, and honestly, they look. You know what? They don't even look too bad. I mean, other people might have different, opinions on that, but downshift. And then we'll go left around here. Wait for this lorry to come around, and then if I can sneak through here. Dumb. See ya, suckers. Skrrr. Honestly, you see the speed, you hear the engine, but we don't really go anywhere. It's a 1.2. It screams at you, but nothing else. I think that is probably the highest amount of revs I've ever used in this car. I think it went to like 5,000. I think I've only ever got to like 4,000 RPM. go around this roundabout. Honestly, I'm having a great time. Like, this is the only time that I'll like semi-push my car. Normally, I'll be an old man going through town, but like, oh, don't go. Yeah, I won't put my foot down ever like crazy in this car. Don't think this car's made for really like speed or anything. Let's add a sports car. Thinking of a sports car, my next car I really want to be like a sports car, like what car? I want it to be like a BMW 1 Series but a sport version, M Sport, or I would say like RS3 or something, but damn, they are beastly. The thing that really puts me off going like fast is like a BMW M Sport or something. They literally use a quarter of the throttle to get like full power of my car. You know what I mean? Let's take a detour down here because I've never been down here. I think this might just be in a village. It just looks like a village, to be fair. Let's go down here. Swimming pool? Is this the exit? That's a nice car. Look at that one. So I think we're coming up to, unfortunately, the end. They didn't even look. To the end of the video. Let's quickly pull out of here. Jeez. Right, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. It was only a quick drive, it might be only like a 5-minute video, but I mean, I quite like videos like this. It didn't take me too long to edit. No, it didn't take me too long to film. It's something I actually like to, you know, film. So yeah, basically, if you have got to the end of this video, then comment pushchair and I'll subscribe to the first one person who does that. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been incredible. Follow me on Instagram at @the_OtherStuff for pictures. And anyway guys, subscribe if you are new, like the video if you did like it, dislike it if you didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video.